life rarely goes exactly to plan. A sudden car repair, a broken boiler, or an unexpected medical bill can derail your finances in an instant. That is why building a robust emergency fund is one of the most sensible moves you can make. It acts as a safety net, ensuring you do not have to rely on high-interest credit cards when the unexpected occurs. So, how much should you save? Financial experts typically recommend setting aside 3 to 6 months' worth of essential living expenses. Review your bank statements to calculate your average monthly costs for rent or mortgage, utilities, food, and transport. Once you have this figure, automate a small transfer to a separate savings account every payday. Consistency is key to building that financial buffer. Remember, an emergency fund is not for holidays or new gadgets. It is strictly for genuine emergencies. If you dip into it, prioritize replenishing the balance as soon as possible. By planning ahead, you transform potential financial disasters into manageable inconveniences. Secure your future today and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with being prepared. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.